Cycle stops. Display shows U5 and the washer won't continue. That usually means the machine has paused to protect itself, not that something is permanently damaged. On a LG washing machine, this code is commonly linked to load balance, door sensing, or control interruption during a cycle. You might see the drum try to spin and then stop, or the machine refuses to proceed even though everything looks normal. In some cases, the load inside is uneven, which prevents proper spinning. Other times, it can be a temporary system glitch after a sudden stop or power fluctuation. Instead of assuming a major issue, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the washer running again. 1. Turn off the washing machine and unplug it from power. 2. Open the door and rearrange the clothes evenly inside the drum. 3. Remove excess load if the drum feels overloaded. 4. Close the door firmly to ensure proper locking. 5. Plug the machine back in and power it on. 6. Start a new cycle and check if the error clears.